Hey y'all, it's your girl Oh So Lovely and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I am dyeing my wig. Well, basically I'm bleaching it. I had an old black bob and I was just bored of it, so I was like, let me do something new. Let me make it like a dirty blonde color. So I'm just brushing out the hair and getting it ready to be bleached. So now I'm getting ready to do a bleach bath. I'm using the 40 developer in the clear. I'm not using the creamy conditioner one. I'm just gonna use the water one because it's kind of simpler when you want to do like a bleach bath. So I'm gonna fill it up. Oh, this is what I did wrong, y'all. Don't do this. Put the bleach, like the powder bleach, first before you pour the water, so it's like easier to mix. I poured the developers in first, which made it so difficult to like properly mix in the bleach into like kind of eye how much bleach you will need. Just do it the opposite way and make y'all lives easier. So I just added one of these bleaches to it already, so I'm gonna add another one. So that was 2 containers that I used, which is why I said you use the bleach first before you pour the developer in it, because it just makes your life easier. It's going to be so much harder to like mix and make sure everything is like incorporated together. So after everything's all mixed up, I just put the wig in there, make sure all the bleach is incorporated nicely and thoroughly. You have to like really make sure every single hair is covered in bleach or you're gonna get like the worst streaks, and which I honestly did, and I think that's mainly because I didn't mix the bleach in right, because I poured the developer before the bleach, which is why I keep saying don't do that, y'all. Like, y'all don't want to go through the process I went through. So this is the hair after the bleach bath. I'm going in with more bleach to do like mini highlights throughout the hair. So I'm going to use the that bleach and this 20 developer, and I'm just gonna, you know, the process, mix it up and then start doing highlights throughout the hair. So like, I didn't really want this wig to be like super like perfect or anything. So I'm taking really big chunks and just doing whatever with it. If you want it to be like more super precise and like super like neat and all that, then definitely go in through sections and make sure everything is neat and organized. So I put like extra bleach on the front sections, of course, because we want that to be the lightest. So I'm making sure that I work the bleach in and that is very saturated. So of course then I'm gonna get some foil and wrap it up in foil. That's the only part I'm gonna put in foil, because I really need that to, you know, lighten up the most. So I put that part in foil, and then I get a shower cap and I put the rest of the hair in the shower cap. This way the heat can stay trapped and it can stay you know, moisturized, because when bleach starts to dry out, it doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to tone the hair with this T15 Wella toner and a 20 developer. And honestly, y'all, this toner is not that it didn't do anything, but it just didn't do what I needed it to do. So next time I would definitely go in with one of the silver toners, because that would have given me more of the look I was looking for. But it was all good. So now that the hair is toned, I'm just going in with a dark brown box dye just to get the roots. So I just section out the roots and put the dye on the parts that I want to be dyed. Basically, I wanted a nice, like, a good amount of hair to be brown, because I don't really like blonde hair on me that much without makeup. So I wanted something that I would like even if I'm not wearing makeup. So finally the process is done. Brushing through the hair to get ready to blow dry it. So I'm gonna blow dry it, hot comb it, and then flat iron it. I definitely tried to curl the hair before I straightened it, and I just wasn't feeling the curls because the hair was like, the hair's a bob, so like it was just too short. So I was like, no. I decided I'm just gonna straighten it, which I did, and it came out cute. So now I'm gonna apply the wig to my head. So I just attach the strap at the back and put the wig on. I already curled my baby hairs, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like try to recurl them a little bit. And you know the process, got to be spray, elastic band, you know, all that stuff. I don't like to use actual glue because that rips my edges out. I don't got time. So I just go in with the Suave Max Hold Spritz to lay down flyaways, of course, and then I also go in with heat protectant spray and then comb it through. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me transforming this bob to this nice dirty brown color. I truly love it. It goes so perfectly with the look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Comment more videos you guys want to see from me. You know, we're working on consistency. It's been a little minute since I put out a video. My fault. But yes, we're working on consistency, so videos are coming back to back from now on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.